Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
From the industry leader in motorcycle communication, Sena brings you Momentum, a complete line of Bluetooth integrated full-face helmets. Hear Sena as it was meant to be heard. Starting with the 4-way intercom-ready Momentum Lite helmet, allowing you to talk with 3 other riders and connect to multiple Bluetooth devices with 27 hours of talk time. Sena doubles the connectivity with the Momentum helmet, featuring up to 8-way Bluetooth intercom communication, audio multitasking, and the ability to pair with multiple Bluetooth devices. The Sena Momentum Pro goes beyond rider connectivity with an integrated 2K action camera and Wi-Fi connectivity for ease of use and to share your adventures on the go. Designed completely around Sena's top-of-the-line communication and camera technology, all Momentum helmets are built with multiple shells in sizes extra small to XXL, HD quality speakers and microphone using Sena's advanced noise control technology, a 3-part ventilation system, scratch and UV-resistant pin-lock-ready visor featuring a quick-release system and an optional smoke shield. And if complete integration wasn't enough, the Sena Momentum INC helmet houses Sena's patented intelligent noise control, reducing low-frequency wind noise, allowing you to ride longer, safer, and hear clearer. With advanced ear cups, listen to your 8-way group intercom and stereo music at lower volume levels with less interference, preserving your hearing and focus. The Momentum INC also features ambient mode, allowing you to amplify external sound for a quick conversation without removing your helmet. Lastly, the Momentum INC Pro takes features from the entire Momentum series, integrating a 2K action camera with Wi-Fi connectivity, 8-way Bluetooth intercom, and Sena's intelligent noise control for the most complete helmet thus far. With complete integration, unprecedented battery life, and designed entirely around Sena, stay connected and listen like never before. Designed for riders, by riders. This is the Momentum Helmet series from Sena.
The helmet for the digital age has truly arrived. Ply is the embedded system technology motorcycle helmet with an integrated dash cam and hands-free call functionality. Ply keeps you connected, whether to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or GPS. With an embedded HD camera and noise-canceling mic and speakers, state-of-the-art features have been integrated without interrupting your riding experience. The camera, equipped with a 1/3 inch sensor, shoots HD resolution footage so you can relive your ride. With eCell's patented chin alignment, the dash cam offers sweeping 120-degree views of the road ahead. No more GoPro or other accessories. The dash cam is embedded right into the helmet. Connected through Wi-Fi, you can view real-time previews of the footage directly on your smartphone. No need to export to PC. And with Ply's GPS timestamp, your videos will automatically be cataloged to show your driving route. Receive calls on the road by syncing to your smartphone. Hi, sweetie. I'm on my way now. See you soon. With active wind and traffic noise cancelling, hear and be heard clearly. Intuitive button placement and one-touch control keeps your hands on the handlebars and your eyes focused on the road.
We're daredevils, but we're not naive. We know that your helmet is the single most important accessory for your riding experience. So we designed the best damn helmet in the market, the JARVISH X AR Smart Helmet. The JARVISH X AR Helmet is made out of a lightweight aerodynamic polycarbonate carbon fiber shell with built-in wide-angle 2K front and rear cameras that offer 360-degree view, and the industry's first voice-activated retractable heads-up display. The JARVISH X AR Helmet connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to see incoming call notifications, road slip warning, weather notification, gas station icon, dangerous section warning, speed warning, traffic notification, GPS navigation, and rear view images on demand. I forgot to introduce our guest of honor. Hi, Alexa.
Hey, it's great to be here.
All these features and more can be controlled by voice command. Since safety is our #1 priority, the JARVISH Helmet has CNS, DOT, ECE safety certifications, anti-fog, anti-scratch, anti-glare visor, and 100% military-grade battery. Our state-of-the-art technology empowers every rider to enjoy the riding experience. And don't deny it, this is your dream helmet. Pre-order now.
Loading, Intelligent Cranium Project. Cutting-edge mobile technology infuses our helmets with intelligence, offering superior functionality. 2 heads-up display lenses access real-time streaming video from 2 rear-view cameras, or display functions from connected devices. The implementation of these 2 rear-view cameras increases the field of view from the typical 180 degrees used in similar products to 210 degrees, all but eliminating blind spots and allowing the rider to stay focused on the road ahead. Integrated with the cameras, interior LED lights act as a notification system, blinking amber when a vehicle gets within 420 feet, and blinking red when a vehicle gets within 240 feet. The helmet will also issue a warning sound and vibrate with each alert. The audio is broadcast via internal speakers, which not only provide audio alerts for approaching traffic and helmet battery life, but have access to all other functions available via connected devices. Intelligent Cranium helmets can connect to your phone via the app, to the internet, including access to OTA software updates, and can even connect to other ICR helmets for party communication via Bluetooth. The app allows for access to navigation, weather reports, telemetry data, media libraries, communication platforms, and whatever you can imagine, because our Open SDK framework allows for custom app development. The batteries can be charged at home, via a power port on the back, or on the go, with an integrated solar panel. And if the sun becomes blinding, the visor can be tinted with the push of a button. The ICR helmet was custom designed to be aerodynamic and lightweight, for optimum performance, comfort, and style. Intelligent Cranium helmets, the ICR Rider Edition, coming soon.
What we are about to present to you is probably one of the most exciting products Scott has ever created. The Symbol 2 Plus D. To make this helmet a real benchmark on the ski market, we launched the Symbol 2 Plus D with 3 key safety technologies: D3O technology, MIPS, and 360 Pure Sound. D3O technology is designed to address low to mid-energy impacts and is combined with EPS, which addresses high-energy impacts. MIPS technology addresses rotational violences to the brain on angular impacts. And 360 Pure Sound technology is an insert we developed to increase audio clarity and improve sound localization. A specifically shaped inner ear piece is inserted in the ear pads of our helmets, surrounded by a sound transparent fabric, letting you hear better while skiing. Another key focus of Scott's engineers was to deliver a helmet that can perform equally well in extremely cold or hot conditions. Our extensive wind tunnel testing clearly demonstrated that our helmet design has the largest temperature variance from open to closed, clearly outperforming the key competitors on the market. Through innovation, technology, and design, we have been able to set a new standard for helmets for the future. The Symbol 2 Plus D, the safest and most ventilated helmet we've ever created.